Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your current Xbox subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for access to hundreds of games and additional perks, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand what Xbox Game Pass Ultimate includes. It provides access to Game Pass for console and PC, Xbox Live Gold benefits, EA Play membership, and cloud gaming. Step 2. On your Xbox console, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Store tab and select Memberships from the menu options. Step 4. Find Xbox Game Pass Ultimate in the list of available subscriptions and select it to view details and pricing. Step 5. Click Subscribe or Upgrade now to begin the upgrade process. If you have an existing subscription, Xbox will convert your remaining time accordingly. Step 6. Review the conversion details. Microsoft will convert your existing Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass subscriptions to Game Pass Ultimate at a specific conversion rate shown on screen. Step 7. Alternatively, you can upgrade through the web by visiting www.xbox.com/Xbox Game Pass and signing in with your Microsoft account. Step 8. Choose your preferred payment method and confirm your upgrade by completing the purchase. Your account will be immediately upgraded to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and you will have access to all benefits right away. Your payment method will be charged monthly unless you cancel. You can manage your subscription anytime through your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.